guys, what's up? I know the title of this video is very random, but I promise I have a goal I'm trying to accomplish with this video. So, as you know, it is now the almost third week of November. No, second week of November. And that means that Vlogmas is upon us, you guys. And if you're not familiar with what Vlogmas is where I upload a vlog every single day, starting with December 1st up through Christmas Day. And now, sometimes I won't always upload every single day, but I will have coverage from every day in a video. So like I may upload one day, but then the next day will be, you know, December 2nd and 3rd in one video, but you'll have coverage from every single day leading up to Christmas. So my question is, do you all want to see Vlogmas this year? Because I did do Vlogmas last year, and if you missed any of those videos, I will link a couple throughout this video and you can check them out. They did pretty well, and therefore I assume that you all really liked them. So I really like doing it, and if you all want to see it, I want to continue to do it. So I just wanted to pop on to see if that's something that you all wanted to see. Just to give you a little bit, it will probably be a lot of sports coverage, because, you know, at that point we will still have, we'll be in basketball season, and which basketball season has already started this past week. So we'll have a lot of basketball games, and you'll get to meet some of my Big Blue Nation fan members. And also, we may or may not, no, we won't have any football coverage at that point. But definitely some basketball coverage. We've got some holiday events, just shopping events, just a bunch of randomness, but you really get to see like a day in the life type videos throughout the month of December. So they're really, really fun. I enjoy doing them. It's a lot less work. And I want to do it if y'all want to see it again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a poll up here in one of these sides, and you can just vote yay or nay you want to see Vlogmas 2018. Hopefully everyone does, and that's all I wanted, y'all. So I hope y'all are having a great Sunday. I am actually getting on the road now to head down to the good old Whirling Sterling to visit my family for the day. And Justin's at the gym with his nephews and his dad, and then he's gonna go home and do some work around the house and just kind of relax a little bit. So I will meet him later. But I hope everyone had a great weekend, and you are taking this Sunday to kind of rest and relax and kind of plan for the upcoming week. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.